Why? Hello, welcome to Tuesday's Word Work. As you know, this week we are not working with aobases anymore. We have moved back to a review of fanboys, which are coordinating conjunctions, and they allow us to write compound sentences. But all of that vocabulary, I think, is a bunch of I like to call them combo sentences. You take two sentences, combine them into one. And who doesn't like combos, right? So, as you remember, this week's fanboy that we're working with is the word so. And we've called so the problem solver because he connects a problem with a result. And my examples that I shared with you yesterday were my response didn't have enough evidence. I went back and reread my article. Those are two separate simple sentences that can combine to my response didn't have enough evidence. So I went back and read my article. That would be using the word so to connect two sentences and make it into one. And it just makes your writing smoother and more complete. I also shared with you the two fractions had different denominators. I multiplied both fractions to make the denominators the same. Or you can combine those separate sentences into the two fractions had different denominators, so I multiplied both fractions to make the denominators equal. Okay, so for today's quick little lesson, I'm going to show you how you can use this frame, the problem sentence, solution sentence, combo sentence to help you. And I'm going to walk you through a few sentences that are probably true for many of you. So maybe yesterday in capstone, your problem was I didn't know where to find new videos. Okay, that's a great sentence. I looked at my test drive slide. Maybe that's what you did to solve it. All right. So your combo sentence then would just combine them. I didn't know where to find new videos, so I looked at my test drive slide. Cool, right? So let's do one more. I didn't have a book I wanted to read. That's a problem, many of you. Or, I might switch it though. Like, I wasn't sure what I felt like reading. It's a problem some of you may have felt yesterday. You might then be like, I looked at my Google Keeps list. And that's a solution that makes sense. So you might write, I wasn't sure what I felt like reading, and use the comma to connect them. So I looked at my Google Keeps list. There. We're using the fanboy so to connect two simple sentences. I would like you to also use this form, the problem sentence, solution sentence, combo sentence. And the reason I want you to use that is to make sure your two sentences are whole sentences. When we did this in the class back in January and February, that was the biggest issue, is you weren't writing two complete sentences. So this helps you do that. All right, I can't wait to read your writing. Thank you.